It's fine. Okay, so what I'm going to be looking at, I'm just going to start with the yen, then afterwards I'm going to go for the dollar, right? So what I normally do is that I normally start with the yen basket. So this is a weekly chart. So I'm just going to start on the weekly chart, looking at the bigger picture on what to expect on a bigger picture. So right now, I'm just gonna looking at this. So if you check right here, we had a very strong level right here where the market has been rejecting. And then after, even when it broke down, it tried to come back and break this level right here, but it kept on rejecting, which finally it broke it. So what it tells us is that as soon as it broke this level, it's not that easy for a market to start and to come back or all the way down below this level. So what it does is that it came back again, it retested right here with this candle, and then afterwards it started to reject and started to move going up. So where am I going to be expecting this market, this index to go? I'm going to be expecting this index to go to this price right here, the price of 88506, which is which is the price where it went previously before it went all the way down, before it broke this level right here. So if we break it down to a small time frame right here, which is a daily time frame, we can see that if we it's very clear right here. We can see that we broke this level. We had a very proper retest right here. So now we're going for a level of resistance, which is this price right here. So which what this tells us is tells us that we're gonna be seeing we're gonna see yen pairs getting strong. So meaning that the yen pairs are gonna start dropping. The yen is gonna get strong. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be going for euro yen. So if we check on the euro yen, let's start on the weekly time frame as well. If we check right here, we had a very strong level right here. Looking at how the market has been reacting every time when it reaches this level right here, check out at the momentum when it started to reject. So if we check right here, it didn't just it didn't just go down and started to break, but it went all the way down to this price right here. So same with this one. When it tried to break it, it got rejected and it went all the way down. So finally, it had a false breakout, I can say, because it broke this level. Then afterwards, what it did, it started to come all the way back down. So now after this, I can say this is a retest again because what it did, it broke this level and came back down again, retested, and then afterwards it started to go down again. So what I'm expecting right here, okay, let me just break it down a bit. Uh, what I'm expecting right here, I'm expecting this pairs to start moving down to this level right here. Looking at the momentum and how exactly it's going. So what another thing that I see it breaking this low right here. As if you check previously, it's been creating the new highs and lows going all the way up. So right now we started to break this low right here and created a new low, which is the lower low. Then afterwards we tried to go up, which we couldn't break this high right here, the lower high, and then we created a new one. So right now, what I would expect is the market to create a new low and going all the way down right here. Because looking at the level the market has been like being stuck to break previously, which is this price right here. So in this instant, it also confirms with the yen basket because as it goes down, it shows that the yen is getting strong, right? So meaning it also goes along with the risk, like we no longer focus much on the Ukraine war. So as well, we no longer focus on the Ukraine war, but also the the China is also open, like when it comes to COVID. So the risk is a bit less. So that's when now we can start seeing the market starting to move all the way down. So we can go for another pair. Let me check let's go for this one. Same with this one. Okay, let me just remove this. If we start on a weekly time frame with this one as well, we can see a similar movement, which is a similar pattern. In this case, we can see that the market has been failing to break this level, and also looking at the reaction of the market. Then afterwards, we tried to break this level right here. We had a false breakout. We went back down. We came back to retest. So as we came back to retest, this was bound to happen, to go all the way down, because judging on how the market has been reacting previously when it came to this level right here. So this is what exactly has been going on in the market when it comes to the yen. So I would expect the market to start pushing all the way down to this level right here for the yen. I would expect the markets to start being pulled all the way down to this price right here. So it's all about finding the good entry and then taking advantage out of that. So in this case right here, in this case, I would expect the first level that a market can go to is actually this one right here. The price that I would expect the market to go for is this price. Then after this price, that's where now maybe we're going to be having a bit of a pullback, which can give another opportunity for an entry. Then afterwards, you're going to be starting to move all the way down, to this zone right here. So it's all about just taking advantage of this opportunities. And also, you also have to keep in mind like the characteristics of the each and every pair on how it moves exactly. Like for example, if you look at pound, pound pairs normally likes to move in range. So in this case, we can see that let me just do this. We can see that we have a bigger range that we grow, like it's been moving in range like this. We have this range right here, which was a range right here. We have this one as well. And also, if we check currency, we're still on another one right here. So it normally likes to move in range, much as it's gonna be having a trend, but normally that it's gonna be moving in range, which is the region. So this is what we can expect when it comes to pound pairs. But also, you just have to take advantage of that. And also, it goes along what type of a trader you are. Are you a swing trader? Are you an intraday trader? So it's up to you which what type of trader you are. Meaning it's gonna determine also your in and out, like the time frame that you're gonna be using for entries. Normally, I would prefer swing trades most of the time, because that's where the money is. But that's what I would prefer most. And also, yeah, that's about it when it comes to the yankers. So I can go for the dollar. When it comes to the dollar, let me start with this time frame. Dollar has been declining like yeah, for since ever October. Ever since it rejected in September, it started to decline. So I would expect a further decline when it comes to this index right here. So